Alright guys, I want to show you this video of Fortnite. It's fully sped up right now, I think. Basically I was AFK the whole game, if you know what that means. It means I was not playing away from controller or whatever, away from keyboard. So basically, I land in the ocean, and I think I just wait here, out of the, I guess this is the first storm, but as you can see, the people are dropping. I don't think it goes faster than 4%. So anyways, sitting here in the ocean for a long time. And it's actually like 20 minutes, but it's going fast. So anyways, I'm gonna try to hide that so it's not too ugly, but I start running here for a second. As you can see, the storm is coming in right now. And pretty much I didn't think anything of this game. I was just shooting rocks and stuff, just having a little fun. And then as you can see, I'm in the storm taking damage, basically 70% of this game, but in the storm, just kept finding band-aids and medkits, which was hilariously cool. Just kept going, trucking along. I'll probably try to throw the clip in at the end if I can upload it time together, that way you can see the last 2 minutes of the first person, or the actual Xbox footage, but just band-aids. As you can see, I'm sprinting. It looks really funny at 4 times sped up. Found a campfire, found another med kit. Keep running, still in the storm. I don't know if I ever got out of the first one. You might know faster than me. Still deep in the storm. I was literally in the I don't think no one shot me the whole game, and I took over 500 damage. So if you divide 500 by 60 seconds, if that's how fast a storm, I don't even know what I'm saying anymore, but basically, second in the storm is pretty much a second of damage. Then it gets worse. Alright, so I just got out of the storm after like 2 whole storms. So I'm trying to stay away from people, trying to get some health back. Up to 82. Trying to get a few materials here. Trying to stay away from people, and then this is when I was like, oh, I have a chance at winning. There's 6 people left, so I was looking for the healing water, but I guess I was too far away, and then I was like, oh, I'm gonna go turn off my download so I can have a chance to win and not lag. Because recently when I'm downloading games and playing it lags up, so I was like, alright, I'm gonna try now. So got some health right there, some slurp keg thingies, which give you a little bit. Found some minis, another health kit, one of the harpoon gun just in case. I was trying to get the hills early, trying to get a few materials. Then I saw that one guy and I wanted to build up, so try to get some height advantage. Shot him a couple times. This is not really third person, this is just some weird angle. But anyways, I'll try to show you that, but basically I didn't even do anything. They just died in the storm, and I only hit someone twice for 52 damage, so good times. I think I'm standing in the sea. See the water right there? That's when it healed me up. That's what I was looking for earlier, but anyways, I'll try to show you the end, but it was unexpected and cool, I guess. But anyways, I just want to share that with you. Thanks for watching. Peace out.